So we've finally got our hands on possibly the most leaked device in the history of smartphones, but what is our initial verdict? Hey there, it's Damien here for 95Google, taking a closer look at the brand new Pixel 3 and 3 XL devices. Whilst we've done a heck of a lot about these devices, I have to say in the flesh there isn't a great deal more to learn. The notch is the most talked about aspect of this device, but perhaps that's undeserving as it's nowhere near as obnoxious as it's made out to be, and that's coming from someone who isn't a major fan of notches full stop. Luckily, if you do dislike the notch, then the standard Pixel 3 model is definitely an option this year. Performance seems to be absolutely superb, as do the displays, which are simply stunning. They seem to be a fair amount brighter than the Pixel 2 models, and they definitely don't seem to have any dreaded issues we saw with the Pixel 2 XL. That being said, the notch does dig into that great display when watching videos in landscape and full screen, which is a little bit of a shame. The wide-angle front-facing camera and new groupie feature might be a key selling point for those that like to take plenty of selfies with big groups of people. I'd have to say it's not exactly a game-changing feature, but it's definitely impressive in person. Will I use it? Probably not, but then again, I'm not really a selfie taker. That being said, the camera will most definitely be the one to beat this year yet again. It seemed utterly superb in even the most dingy lighting conditions, and I have a feeling that Google might have made the lighting decision to showcase just how good the Pixel 3 models are in low light yet again. I'm excited to really get my teeth into the camera and the expanded feature set, including the top shot function, which helps pick the best feature from a series of snapshots. The night sight feature is also another one that I would really love to sink my teeth into. It could literally be a game-changing camera feature. The camera app itself is getting easier to use and navigate, which is always a major plus. In terms of the build, I prefer the heft of the 3 XL, it feels absolutely superb when you hold it. The glass back feels much like a brushed metal and it doesn't feel in any way slippery. It also helps you grip the sides and squeeze for that active edge assistant feature, which gives a nice satisfying vibrating feedback when you squeeze the phone. Of all of the new colour options, the not pink model is my favourite by far, and in my opinion it looks exceptional in person. But all of the colourways look absolutely superb, as do the knitted cases, of which there are 4 to choose from. The rest of the body definitely feels exceptionally well put together and sturdy. The coloured sleep weight button is most definitely one of my favourite hardware additions too. I really like the soft edges, and oddly the SIM card tray is at the bottom of the device where you'd usually find the headphone jack. The new speaker layout, well, I'd love to comment on the new sound, but a busy hands-on session makes it hard to decipher whether it's good or not. So overall there aren't too many surprises, and I'd have to say that the smaller Pixel 3 will feel like a bigger upgrade over the standard Pixel 2, but the Pixel 3 XL is most definitely improving over the Pixel 2 XL, no matter what your notch preference. Getting hold of the Pixel devices in person was like finally meeting an internet friend in real life. It just confirmed to me what I already thought for the most part. I'm excited to get a little bit longer with review units and really delve into the camera, which I feel will really widen the gap between Google and all of the smartphone cameras on the market. Either way, I'd love to hear what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. Have any questions? You can always ask them there too. To read the full hands-on, then visit the link in the description and subscribe for more Google and Android related focused content just like this. Anyway, this is Damien saying thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you later.